Try to bring the food. Daddy will eat it for you.
No, Daddy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are on the road running some errands, and I want to take you guys on the journey with us. If you are new here, I want to thank you guys so much for clicking that button to watch my video, and for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you guys so much for your loyalty. So right now I'm at the eye doctor with RJ. He is getting his glasses, so I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go, guys. I want meta glasses next year.
Yes.
So you know this is your birthday present, right?
What? I don't want glasses anymore.
This Walmart was 2 minutes away from our location, and so we wanted to go in because they have a little section with Caribbean stuff. We wanted to get Bigfoot, and also to finish with our back to school shopping, we need to get pencils and pens. So let's go, guys. You want to tell the family hi?
Hi.
Which aisle again? I think it was this one.
Alright, my fault.
My fault.
Here we are, no Bigfoot. One Bigfoot. Look at it. Look at it.
Bigfoot.
All the way in the back. Go get it.
Bigfoot.
One.
One more.
There's no more. It's only one.
Bigfoot.
Nothing else.
No, there's no more.
What?
No, one.
Oh, Aki, $10. Maybe we need to take that.
$10?
At $13 to this comparing. Oh, here's another Bigfoot.
Bigfoots. No. Oh. Bigfoot.
Oh, the stuff them are dropped behind, man.
But they go the big foot.
Sorry about it.
She's right at the front.
Oh.
Keys for 13 and not 13, 14 and $16 at Compare Foods, but in Walmart $10. So you know we gotta pick it up. Anything else?
What?
Nope.
Nope.
Let us go.
This is not a food product, unfortunately.
Let me see it.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
I actually want to see what else is that? Was that the only thing that was up there? Yeah, that was the only thing.
That's it?
Yeah,
All
that
right,
was
here. Come on. Alright guys, so you know we cannot come to Raleigh without going to Golden Crust. So we're gonna get some beef patties. We're gonna get the beef patty, baby. Some of we're trying to hide from the sun, guys. I'll take about 6. And the kids are in the back. No patty? Guys, you want patty?
Yeah.
Or no patty?
Yes.
Patty?
Patty? You want patty? What kind of patty you want? You want beef, chicken, or shrimp? You hear about shrimp? You want to come on? Ready? Let's get rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, Matt, you put it on the cup.
Ooh, come on, Mountain Dew.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. They're gonna cut me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Jesus Christ.
But then you go
Wait, but did I boom?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I covered.
Cover it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's there. That's your Tesla?
Yeah, that's mine.
I'm spraying.
Spicy?
Yeah. Spicy.
It's spicy?
You bet if I got
Spicy for you.
yes, you know me.
Mild for you.
Oh. And mild for you.
Exactly. You know me. Mild for daddy.
I wish Hey, this is better than Dunkin.
Take a bite on 3.
Wait.
Take a bite on 3. You want to get this here?
The belly. The belly.
So he got mild. He got spicy.
Yeah.
And probably got.
Unfortunate, you didn't eat with the camera, with the people.
I know, right? Why wouldn't you want to eat with my people?
Is that your belly full? Daddy will eat it for you.
No. Zaddy need help digesting that, so.
You want help? Want me to eat half of it for you?
No. Right.
You see, he never backed me away, so.
Was okay, right?
This isn't better than what patty or jerk chicken.
You okay, baby?
Okay.
Belly them off.
Darren, let me eat your food, okay? Why am I getting no No,
So the filling looks really good. Tastes good too.
I have not gotten a singular piece of meat yet.
We don't have any juicy beef or tasty. So this is the best we can get.
Actually,
And we're okay with it. Tastes good. No. What is eating a patty without the crumbs?
huh?
Crumbs has to be all over your face, right?
Yeah.
It's a part of the process.
I can take a bite.
Yeah.
There, look, it's a piece of it. Patty. Hey!
They can't live without each other, but yet still they can't stand each other.
Why
Make it make sense.
you need help that does do that, right?
So,
But I'm saving you time and energy.
If I finish eating this before, I'm taking these out.
But it's spicy.
Don't let it start out. Yeah. Why it to be?
Zaire, if I give Zaire my patty, then if I take Zaire, wait, no, that didn't make sense. Oh yeah, if I give Zaire my patty,
All of them.
oh, don't do.
all done, guys.
See, you can't see mine anymore. See,
So now is the time for me to come off the camera. I can eat the crumbs. Bye.
Ew.
Weird. Sir, where you going? To mess around with our food.
Now, to take it up.
Pick a park in the park.
You have to right.
All done.
I finished before you.
Okay guys, we're heading now to shoe show to see if we can get shoes for the boys for back to school. They have to wear all black shoes. So let's go. And also Burlington is right next door, so we're gonna head over there as well to see just some new finds and see if I can find some stuff too for work. So let's go, guys.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Bye. Oops.
Guys, this is my favorite part of the store. Like, this section can get all of my money.
Like
Every
to put it.
penny. Guys, I need to come back down here by myself. It's a challenge. It is a challenge. Yeah.
So the surprise if you are going to enjoy it.
Yes.
This is for you.
Thank
My
you.
sweet wife.
Thank you. Okay guys, so just to do a little haul, when we went to shoe show, we got the shoes for Zai. And at Burlington, we got, what do you see? I got a low content book to keep my notes. Belt for RJ. Dish towel. Belt for me. And I picked up this the dish drying mat. And then at Walmart, as you know, we got the big feet big feet. We got some hand sanitizer, chopsticks, we got a lunch box, and we got some rechargeable batteries. So that is all. And then we got some other little stuff like pencils and some school supplies. And yeah, so all right guys, thank you guys so much for spending the day with us. And if you have reached this far in the video, please go ahead and give me a like, drop a comment, and please remember to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.